2026 AIME 2, question 14. For this question, let A equal the sum of added terms. Let S equal the sum of subtracted terms. So, we know that A plus S equals 12. Now, A minus S equals 0. So, solving that gives us A equals S equals 6. Now, we must count sequences of positive integers summing to 12, where the total subtracted terms equals 6. So, when the subtraction occurs, the rule reduces to an even term is subtracted if it appears after an odd number of odd terms. The reason being, subtraction does not change parity. The running parity before a term equals the parity of the sums of the previous terms. And only odd numbers flip parity. So, parity depends on how many odd terms have appeared. So, let's look at the gap structure. Let the odd terms be O1, O2, all the way to OM. We can split the sequence into M plus 1 gaps of even terms. So, G0, G1, 2, Gm. Before gap GK, we have passed K odd terms. So, if K is even, then even terms in GK are added. If K is odd, then even terms in GK are subtracted. Thus, even terms in odd indexed gaps contribute to S equals 6. Even terms in even indexed gaps contribute to A. So, the total sum decomposition, right? Let O equal the sum of odd terms. E sub equal the sum of even terms in odd gaps. E add equal the sum of even terms in even gaps. Then O plus E sub plus E add equals 12. But E sub equals 6. So O plus E add equals 6. Now, look at the positive values of O. Since O is the sum of positive odd integers, E add is even, so O must be even. O must be less than or equal to 6 and cannot be 0. Thus, O has to be 2, 4, 6. So now there's 3 cases. Case 1 is when O equals 6. Then E add will be 0. Right, so we can count ways to write 6 as the sum of even numbers of positive odd integers, and ways to distribute 6 across odd indexed gaps. The total will finally be 5. Now, the second case is if O was 4, then E add would equal 2. So we would count the compositions of 4 into positive odd terms, distribute 6 across odd gaps, distribute 2 across even gaps, and arrive at 52 for the total. Now, for the last case, when O equals 2, E add equals 4. So, once we count the composition of 2 into odd terms, distribute 6 across odd gaps, distribute 4 across even gaps, we arrive at 20. So, in the end, 85 plus 52 plus 20 equals 157, which is the final answer.